Okay. Okay. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ahmad Mahdi. I'm the student of Faculty of Medicine, Sultan Agung Islamic University, Semarang, Indonesia. As we may know, randomized controlled trial are the gold standard study design used to evaluate the safety and effectiveness of health intervention. Okay. Today, I'm going to read an RCT article in Anthlete Resistance Informed versus Empirical Management of Viremia in Children and Adolescents with HIV in Lesotho and Tanzania Give More Trial, a multi-site open-label randomized control trial using consort checklist. To them, consort standard stand for consolidate standard of reporting trial. It provides guidance or recommendation for reporting all randomized control trial. I have divided my presentation into 4 parts. First, I'm going to find the item of the consort checklist of title and abstract, and as well as introduction in the article. After that, I'm going to find the items of the consort checklist of methods, followed by result in this RCT article. Then I'm going to find the item of the consort checklist in the discussion. Finally, I will summarize my presentation. First of all, identification of component of the title using SPICET, S-P-I-C-E-T. I cannot find the component of the end of point in the title, but we can find Lesotho and Tanzania. Lesotho, and Tanzania. In Tanzania. Yeah. Hospital base. As the setting, children and adolescent is the setting, children and adolescent is the population resistant informed versus empirical. Empirical management of viremia as the intervention. Okay. HIV is the condition. HIV is the condition. Condition is the HIV. And multi-site open-label randomized control trial as the design. Okay. So basically, this article is the report of finding of a study to evaluate the effectiveness, give more, of an intervention called resistant informed versus empirical management of viremia for the treatment of condition called HIV in the children and adolescent in the Lesotho and Tanzania hospital base in a multi-site open-label randomized control trial. Okay. Let's begin the title abstract. Let's begin by the title abstract and the introduction. Okay. The title abstract 1A. In the title of this article, we can find identification as a randomized trial. Identification a randomized trial is 1A. 1B, this article has a structure abstract. As we can see, this abstract is divided into several parts of background, methods, finding, interpretation, and funding. Background. Okay, finding this 1B. 2A until 2B, the introduction consists of 3 paragraphs. The first 2 paragraphs explains scientific background and explanation. Background and explanation. In the last paragraph, we can find the hypothesis. This 2A until this. Okay. Well, I have told you about the items of the consort for the introduction. Let's move on the method section and result section. 3A. In the method section, we can see a description of trial design in the method section. And 3B, here we can find the important change to method after trial commencement with the reason. And the 3B. Yes. Okay. 4A. Eligibility criteria for participants is divided into inclusion and exclusion. There are 4 inclusion and 6 exclusion criteria. One of the example of the exclusion criteria is having acute illness requiring hospitalization. This is for A and for B. This is for A. Eligibility criteria for a participant. And for B, the data were collected from 3 different sites: Lesotho, Lesotho, Tanzania, and Swiss. This is the 4B, setting and location where the data were collected. Okay. Okay. Number 5, we can find, this is number 5, we can find the intervention for each group to intervention group received, GRT, and GRT informed expert recommendation for onward treatment, whereas the control group received usual care. This is number 5. We can find the intervention for each group. And after that, number 6A. Yes. This number 6A. This completely divided of primary and secondary outcome. This is number 6A and 6B. 6B. Oh, wait a minute. Started 15, 17, 18, 22, 23, 20. Okay, yes. The 6B, there is no any change trial outcome after trial comment with the reason. Okay. Let's begin number 7. Number 7A. Number 7A, this is how sample size was determined based on data from the CITES, literature, and the time of the study design and a potential benefit of GRT informed care. Okay, number 7B, we have information. Number 7B, we have information when applicable, stopping, guide the lines, and any interim analyze. This is the number 7B. Let's begin the number 8. The number 8. It's the number 8. The number 8A. The electronic data capture software macro version 4.8.1 enough Paris, France was used to generate the random allocation sequence. Number 8B. This article has a note type of randomized details of any restriction, such as blocking and a block size. Okay, after number 8B. Number 10. Okay. And number 10, statistician not inflow. Statistician not inflow. In the study generate the random allocation sequence. Enroll and assign participant were completed by trained routine staff at each site. Okay. Number 11A. Oh, this is the number 11B. Number 11A. Okay, number 11A, participant and study staff was blinded after assignment to intervention. Number 11B, description of the similar was not done. Yes, yes. Number 12, 12E. Number 12A. This article is not complete with a method for additional analyze, such as subgroup, analyze, and adjust, analyze. Sorry, number 12A actually have the information methods, statistical methods used to compare group for primary and secondary outcome. Number 12B is about for secondary. Number 13A, we have information. Number 13A, we have information number of participants who were randomly assigned, receive intake treatment, and we can also find in participant flow diagram. Number 13B, This is for each group. Last is escalation after randomization together with a reason. Number 14. Number 14A. Without number 14A. This data is number 20. Number 14. Wait a minute. Number 14. Yes. Yes. Number 14A. This is date defining the provides the periods of recruitment and follow-up. Okay. After that, number 14B, we cannot find information about why the trial ended or was stopped. Number 15. Number 15, a table showing a baseline demographic and clinical characteristic for each group. Number 16, this is group and a participant include in each analyze and whether the analyze was by original assigned group. This is number 17A. In the article, we have information about primary and secondary outcome result for each group and the estimate effect size. Its precision such as 95% confidence interval. Number 7B, we cannot find binary outcomes. Presentation of both absolute and relative effect size is recommended. Number 18, this is number 18. This is a result of any other analysis performed and including subgroup analysis. Number 18, there is no information harm on unintended effect in each group. Okay. That's all I have say about items in the methods and results section. Next item in the discussion, and we can find and with other information. Okay. Let's begin the number 20. Okay. This is number 20. In the discussion of this article, we can find 3 trial limitation addressing source of a potential bias, imprecision, and if a relevant multiplicity of analyze. This is a number 20. Okay, 21. This article has no generalizability such as external validation and applicability of the trial finding. The number 22, we have information. This is the number 2022. We have information number of interpretation consistent with the result and considering other relevant evidence. The reference of a previous RCT can find in the number 6 and 7. GRT informed management of Pyraemia have had a mixed result, effective and no difference. Okay. Okay. Number 23, registration number of name of trial registry also not included in this article. Okay. Number 24. 24, as we may know, a protocol manuscript has been published. 12, and the full trial protocol and statistical analysis plan are available at link written in this article. Number 25. This work was supported by Foundation Botnar. Grant number REG 190082 NDL and GAB. The Swiss National Science Foundation grant number PCE FP3 1813552 NDL. And the Gottfried and Julian Bangerter Rainer Foundation 2 NDL also other support. Okay. In conclusion, we can find 27 of 37 items of the consort checklist in this article. Okay, that's conclude my presentation. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.